Welcome to Christmas Cooking with Ava. Hi. Today we're making a barn cake made out of stuff today, but we're not doing anything respectful, but we're just making a cake today because that's what I'm doing for my sister. All I am going to do is bake the cake all by myself. Very fun. Eggs.
Put your eggs in.
I know. I have to pat it first. So the layers all cooked and panned down. So all we have to do is just keep frying it down. So we have to put some water in a second. So all we're going to have to do is put some oiled eggs. Three cups of eggs. I have to do it together. Let's watch. Water. Oil. What next step are you going to do? I did it. I'll get off on some months out. I didn't want to eat no more cake batter, Mom. There's a small half inch. Can you say a little bit of the extra batter to just like taste? Right? So extra. What? One more.
Okay, now we have to pour the batter.
Hey, no, let me. Okay, eat something.
Well, let's shake it around.
Shake.
You have to spread the cake stuff around.
We need a cake batter. Into shape. Are we going to coat it?
We have to bake it first.
I know, but can I eat some of the extra batter?
Not yet. Wait a minute.
Oh, here, let me take it.
Right.
Oh, Mom, I also want to eat some of that extra batter.
It has raw egg in it.
What are you going to do?
You can't eat raw egg.
No, wait. But Mom, it just tasted good.
I know, but you can't eat raw egg.
No, I'm not going to eat the raw egg. I just eat some.
Let's get it all in the oven.
I just wanted to do a giraffe, a zebra, a hippo, and a chicken. I am putting coconut in the bag to mix with food coloring. Each of the bag get coconut. So I put some extra coconut in just to fill in the bag. Then I fill this bag a little bit up. Mom, now do I put up green?
Put a lot more coconut in the sack.
Green food color. everything all formed, kind of gropey and smoky and lumpy. But you're going to have to do this, Mom. Gonna shut down and actor, sir. To share no shot, say, honk, honk. Honk, 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 honk. Honk, honk, honk. I am making yellow. Kind of expression. So the yellow is so all I have to do is make the coconut. And here is the yellow coconut. Yellow and yellow. Red icing. I'm making red icing today for May's barnyard farm cake. The cake feels everything on it. So, not a little trouble. With all the icing I could do is not what I can do. But all the icing that I'm filming is turning into a big clump of icing. Stir and stir. Stir very red. How red it can be. Adele is going to cut this cake. You're going to use my spoon.
Thank you for cutting the shape of a barn. I have to use a special bread knife, okay?
She's going to do that.
Yes. Very careful.
You always do it with a short angle. Cut. Cut and then don't do the edge. Oh, can I eat that?
Just a second. There you go. Is it good?
Yeah. I like all the cut edges.
Just a second.
You almost made a shape of a barn. Brown coat. Almost until my frosting it poses a little bit of edge.
You want me to crumb coat it real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. And we'll put it back in the fridge so it gets cold.
These are going to be sheeps. I didn't spread all of it. You know, cover with icing. You're the very chocolate kitchens girl.
Thank you. But we also...
And I'm going to be leaf.
Okay.
Oh, that.
We have to do the pink nose. So I'll get another knife to do the pink nose on that sheep.
You mean the snout?
The pink snout. You're right.
Then I get to do the little nose.
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, my special assistant. I wished. I just said wished. I was about to do that. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good girl. And I will put
A little pupil?
the mouth.
No, that's not a mouth. That's a nose.
Yes, that's right. Good girl.
Pupil, one nose here. I'm gonna do it. Pop one little one here to be a little fork head. Look, Mom.
Okay.
That's kind of cute.
Yes, it is.
See, little pupil. Good eyes. Thank you. Leave. Howdini.com. I always eat like M&M's when I put eyes on M&M's.
You got 2 blue eyes
Yep.
and a beak.
Yes. I am going to do that. That's the mark where I want to put the beak, kind of. They're all bonded.
What animal is that?
A chicken. Can't. It's like, whoops. Uh-oh. That's funny. These are pigs.
I'm sorry. Can I use another one? Put it right here. Yeah.
I have to do a door frame.
Wait. Use one right here.
One door frame outwards.
You gotta put one across here.
That's will be a small piece of the other piece of that.
Okay.
All in the cake.
Yep. Now we gotta do the ones up there.
Oh, crayon cracker.
There you go. Little broken shutters.
Little shutter. I like a small one and a large one.
Looks good. Okay, now we gotta do the roof.
Oh, I can
Remember, you just do it like that.
Yeah.
Good job, Ava. Ava, there you go. Put some in the top too. Yeah.
I have to do some
Now,
frame.
now put grass all over the bottom of the board.
Well, we should do some frosting on it too.
Now spread it around nice and good.
Oh. I made this for my sister for her birthday. For me. My sister's birthday. It's a barnyard cake. Love you, Melon. Happy birthday. Thank you for watching, May May. Oh.